You won't believe how quickly you can shed those extra pounds with dry fasting. 3 times faster fat loss is possible. If you're struggling to see the scale move, this might be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Dry fasting is gaining popularity in the fitness community, and for good reason. It's a powerful method that can accelerate fat loss by up to 3 times compared to traditional fasting methods. Stick around to learn why this could be a game changer for your weight loss journey. We all know how frustrating it can be to try and lose weight. Despite our best efforts, sometimes the progress just isn't there. The idea of achieving faster fat loss is incredibly appealing, isn't it? And that's where dry fasting comes in. Dry fasting is different from water fasting. You abstain from both food and water. This might sound intense, but the science behind it is fascinating. When your body is deprived of water, it begins to break down fat cells for hydration, leading to increased fat burn. Additionally, the absence of water means your body has to work harder to maintain function, boosting your metabolism. One of the key benefits of dry fasting is its efficiency. Many people report that they feel leaner and more energized after a short dry fast. It also promotes autophagy, the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new ones, which can enhance your overall health. In summary, dry fasting can significantly accelerate your fat loss, boost your metabolism, and improve your overall well-being. If you're looking to supercharge your weight loss journey, dry fasting might be worth exploring. But remember, always consult a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen. Have you tried dry fasting? Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.